Hi, my name's Eunice Tak. I'm a VP and co-founder of Cafe Bora. What we try to do here in Cafe Bora is we try to share our Korean culture with our new flavors. Our presentation is minimal but yet beautiful. I love it when people say your desserts are too pretty to eat. We get that a lot. It's healthy dessert, and they don't feel guilty when they eat our desserts. The food quality and authenticity is very important to us. We try to find our ingredients from what you can easily find in Korean food, like persimmon and purple sweet potato. The meaning of Cafe Bora means purple in Korean. It's because we bring all our natural 100% ingredient from our purple sweet potato, which is purple. It has a double meaning, which is it's too pretty to look that it stops you from walking, and they basically stop what they're doing and they try to learn what they get interested and they try to learn what it is. So it has a double meaning like that. What's a little more unique about Cafe Bora is not only a place for you to get cute desserts, but we try to focus a lot on what you hear, almost like K-pop music, what you see, it's visually striking food, and what you eat, and you interact with all your friends and family. It's a place for you to interact and do the cultural exchange between West and East. Visiting Cafe Bora, I want young Koreans to be proud of where they're from, which I wasn't able to when I was young. I want it to be a gift of this experience when you come to the cafe.